Hello YouTube, this is Philip20 again, and I got to this customer's house. They're not here yet, and I've already determined what was wrong. I believe they took the disconnect out. Okay, this box right here is live. I've got it open. I can go ahead and close it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and close it like so. Okay, now they've taken the disconnect out, I believe. This outdoor unit had a bad capacitor. And I want to show you what the problem is with this. It's hard for you to see, but if you take a look at this capacitor, notice the top of the cylinder is flat. And if you look at this one, it's slightly bulged. It's bulging out slightly. If you can barely tell, it's because there's a lot of pressure in the capacitor and probably a lightning storm or something took it out recently, and it's bulged slightly. Even the bottom of it is slightly bulged. You see how it's rounded right there? See how it's rounded? It's not flat. See, you can rock it. And it's not supposed to be rounded. It's supposed to be nice and flat. If you look at the bottom of this one, it's super flat. That's what happens when these the capacitor shocks through its electrolyte circuit. It's a non-conductive material that they put inside of it, and if electrical shock goes through it, it continuously discharges indefinitely. It'll never have any more capacitance. So with a electric meter, we can test this capacitor here with microfarad, and that shows up on my meter as MFD. Now you're going to want to start by looking for the common. Okay, the common is normally the one with the terminal that has 4 terminals on it. So this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where you're going to start at. Okay, it's not easy to do with this with one hand and not even looking at a different screen too. Let's start with the fan. Okay, and it shows 0.032 across to the fan. It should be 5 MFD. Alright, so let's check across the capacitor for the compressor. And it's showing 2.46. And it's supposed to show 30, or very close to it. And that's plus or minus 5%, 50 or 60 hertz, 440 VAC. So you can see it shows you 30 plus 5 MFD. So that'd be, the 5 would be across from common to fan, and the 30 would be from common to hermetic. You can see herm right there, fan there, and common right there. So the most important values on this capacitor is 30 plus 5 and 440 VAC. Okay, and also these newer capacitors don't have PCBs in it. I'm not sure what PCBs are, but I'm pretty sure they was really good to make smaller capacitors back then. But nowadays it's you know, they got different type of systems, and this one's rated for, you know, negative 40 degrees Celsius to plus 70 degrees Celsius. 70 degrees Celsius is pretty hot. This one, it's the way they got the top on it, I can't connect it. I guess I could if I could adjust it. It looks like that's it though. This is Guns, Games, and Racing. I'll holler at y'all later.